Hi, I'm Brett from the S7 Foundation. We're excited to share a brief introduction to the Holoweb, an innovation that will revolutionize the internet and culture as we know it. The current web takes its design from books, pages, and encyclopedias, but this way of serving information has its limits. As information becomes more and more important in our lives, we can now imagine more evolved and exciting ways to play with it. It's time to get out of the chairs, get out of our virtual library, and break away from the mouse and scroll bar. Going from one website to another to find information can also be a thing of the past. The Holoweb reimagines the web as a virtual world rather than a virtual library. It's a literal World Wide Web that is organized in space, rather than mimicking the pages of a book. As we leap into the Holoweb, a whole new web experience and reality will be unleashed. Data is stored in nodes, or particles, that we can grab hold of, shuffle around, mash together, and zoom in and out of. We can organize and view nodes in all kinds of 3D visual geometries, from globes and landscapes to maps and cubes, colors, animations, and shapes. And we can switch views for different purposes. It's the same data with different lenses. Searching and browsing through data is easier, faster, more intelligent, and much more fun. We can copy and reuse any amount of data in one shot. You can even send the whole of Wikipedia to someone if you wanted to. These new data formats make it possible to explore information in new, exciting ways using virtual reality, augmented reality, wearable technologies, and artificial intelligence. Let's get back into our bodies. The Holoweb's unique innovation of a fractal database organizes all data into a superbrain, a type of giant global mind or brain-like network where everything is intelligently connected to itself. No more different logins to separate websites. Out with the search engine and in with the synergy engine. The synergy engine connects nodes like the brain does based on neural-like algorithms. Integrated blockchain and holochain technology will enable users to make their own contract and their own currencies without the need for middlemen. The Holoweb is novel, and so is the way it will be built and launched. Its development will be outsourced through co-creation with different, trusted partners who have humanitarian goals as well as technology innovation in their hearts. The first Holoweb apps, called Synapse, will create a regenerative new environment for social change and a cultural shift for millennials exploring new lifestyles. We imagine the first social network of a Holoweb to actually be the last social network. One login where you can access your whole online life. The future social networker will be able to do it all from a centralized and decentralized platform. Information sharing, trust building, messaging, project management, crowdfunding, blogging, shopping, and tons more. Users will be able to organize their entire online experience through one single portal. There are a myriad of applications, some ideas we are excited about. Geospace maps. Imagine walking down a street in your Google glasses and being able to see what resources and connections are in your vicinity based on your needs and your interests. 3D geometric maps. Enter virtual reality and view all of your information as a globe in outer space where you can reorganize your online filing cabinet as though you are playing a computer game. Quantum chat. Interconnect all of your different online conversations and store them for future use. Custom currencies. Set up your own currencies for your own community to allow new forms of trading and value recognition. You can exchange between communities in a synergistic decentralized exchange. These new and novel currencies will catalyze new forms of resource sharing, crowdfunding, self-organization, and economic models. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg of what's possible and just a small insight into what we are envisioning. We look forward to exploring with our partners their own ideas for different applications and harnessing the enormous creativity made possible through collaboration. The autumn of 2018 will see the launch of the first Synapse proposals, and the Holoweb will move from prototype into development. A whole new world awaits.